Hello friends, so welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll see the control shortcuts. So in the keyboard we will be finding the control button. So we'll see the shortcuts with the control button, right? So let's start our session. See here, the first one is a control plus alphabet A. So this will it is used to select the complete content. So it is used for select all content. Okay, so for example, if you open the Word and here if you had some content, so hi, welcome to Sundeep Saradhi YouTube channel, right? So if you want to select the complete content, you can just click the Ctrl A so that the complete content will be selected, right? And the next one is a control plus alphabet B. So this is used to get the bold color in Word, bold format in Word. So we'll be having some font formatting options in the Word. So if you select the text, so I'm selecting my name Sundeep Saradhi, and if I click Ctrl B, so bold option will be enabled. So you can observe here that characters will be somewhat bold. Okay, the bold application of bold. And the next one is a control plus C. So this is for copying the content. So copying the content in Word or Notepad, whatever it may be, copying the text. This is for control C. So if you select this one and just click on control C, so the content will be copied. Okay, the content will be copied and it will be in some buffer. Okay, and if you place anywhere and if you right click and if you go with the paste option, you can observe the same content will be copied here. The same content will be copied here, right? So just select the content and click on Control C so that the text will be copied and it will be kept in the buffer, and select the position where we want to paste and click on the paste so that the same content will be displayed, right? So Control C is for copying the content, and Control D. So Control D is used to open the font options. Okay, open the font options in Word and bookmarks in browser. Right? See, here we have a Word. Now I will click the Control D so that the font options will be opened. So you can observe here the font face and the font style and the font size and all these things, font formatting options will be enabled. So without going here, just click on Control D so that the font formatting options will be enabled. And if you are going with the browser, if you are opening the browser, Control D will give the bookmarks. Okay, bookmarks. So it will be saved and it will create a shortcut here. Okay, it will create a shortcut here. Okay, so this is the thing. So let us say, see example. So Amazon.in. So I will go with Control D and I will click on done. Okay, and if you create one more tab, you can observe here there is a shortcut for Amazon, right? Similarly, I will go with one more thing, Flipkart.com, and now I will click on Control D. So the bookmarks will be added. Click on done so that if you go with one more window, you will be getting the shortcut key. So without typing it, we can simply click on the shortcut so that it will be opened. So in order to create a bookmark, we have to go with the Control D option in the browser, right? Next, Control E, Ctrl plus alphabet E. So this is for center alignment in Word. So aligning the text in the center, and moving cursor towards address bar in browser, right? So coming to the here, you can observe this is a text. I am selecting the text and I am just clicking on Ctrl E. You can observe the text will be aligned towards the center, right? So aligned towards center. So center alignment will be done if you press the Ctrl E. And if you go with the browser and see, I have clicked some Amazon.in, and if you want to edit the browser, the URL, so just go with the Ctrl E so that it will open. The address bar will be in the editable format. So here you can type any other URL and you can go, right? So the Ctrl E is for center alignment and moving cursor toward the address bar. Next, Ctrl F. So this will open the find window. So if you observe here in the Word, if you go with the Ctrl F, you can get the find window, right? So here you can find it, and otherwise, so just go to the browser, click on Ctrl F. Here also you'll be getting the find. Okay, see, I will write the inbox. So there is one by one. So here you can get the selected one, right? The matching of this particular text, it will be highlighted here. So this is called the find. Okay, here also you can find. So Sundeep. So you can see I have given Sundeep as a input and it was highlighting the word here, right? So this is for find. Ctrl F. Okay, next Ctrl G. Ctrl plus G. So it will open the go to window. So you can observe here the Ctrl G will open the go to window. So to which position it should be changed. If you are having some 10 pages, you can simply enter here the page number so that the pointer will move towards that particular page number, right? And next, Ctrl H. So this will open the replace in Word and opens the history in browser, right? It opened the replace. So here you can observe. So if you go with the H, it will go with the replace. See here the replace window, right? And coming to the browser, Ctrl H, it gives the history. It will open the history, right? So without going to the settings and history, directly go to the browser and click on Ctrl H so that it will open the history. So whatever the websites you have opened at what time and everything will be coming here itself, right? And next, Ctrl I. So I means it will enable the italic format. Okay, see, it will enable the italic format means you can observe here. I will select this one and click on Ctrl I. You can observe some sort of alignment. So some sort of slanting position will be applied. That's called an italic option. Okay, italic option. And Ctrl plus J, which gives the justify alignment. Right? So if you go with this one, so I will write something. I have uploaded around 530 videos and our channel is successfully running with 3 lakh subscribers and having more than 15 playlist, right? So I will copy the same thing once again. See, you can observe here the page format, the rightmost margin is here, and you can observe welcome to, and there is a lot of space here. It was wasted. So if you click on justify, the complete words will be adjusted towards the left margin and right margin. You can observe here. I will select this one and click on Ctrl justify. So you can observe here. So it will be adjusted, right? The words will be adjusted so that it will be perfect towards the left margin and right margin. So for that justification alignment, we'll use a Control J, and next Control K, Control plus K. So this will insert the hyperlink, so that which will shift from one page to another page, right, in the Word, and it will move to the address bar in browser address bar, right? So you can observe here, I will just click on this one and Control K, it will insert the hyperlink for that particular selected text. So I will use the URL, so http www dot youtube.com/c/ Sundeep Saradhi. I am giving my own URL, right? See, now it was opened, and if you click on Control and click this particular text, automatically the browser will be opened and our channel will be opened, right? So in order to create this hyperlink, we have to use a Control K, and if you go with the browser, the Control K will move the cursor to the address bar again, similar to our Control E. Okay, similar to our Control E, Control K will also move the cursor towards the address bar in browser, right? And Control plus L, it's nothing but a left alignment. So previously we have seen the justification. So now it is a left alignment. So if you observe, I will write some data. Now I want to, so here, see, this is the center alignment, Control E. Now if you want to align the text towards the left side, just go with the Control L, so that the data will be aligned towards left. Okay, and next Control plus M, so it will follow the indentation, so margins, it will move the margin, okay, in Word. So if you observe here, so Control M, so you can observe the selected text, it will be moving towards the margin. So if I press one time the Control M, so some sort of margin has been given. If I press Control M, again some sort of margin is left from the left side, right? So for getting the indentation means just moving the margin. Okay, so this is how we can use the Control M. Next, Control N, Control plus N. So Control N means it will open the new document or new window. So if you go with the Word, so if you click Control N, the new document will be opened. You can observe here. Okay, I will close and I will press again Control N. So new document will be opened. And if you go with the browser, Control N will open the new window. It will go with the new window. See, I will open the Flipkart. So I will just click on Control N. So new window will be opened here. Right. So like this, we'll use the Control N. Right. So before going to the next one, I just want to say one thing. Hello friends, I came up with a very good job opportunity. So I think all of you dream is to get a good job with a high package. So every year the LinkedIn will release a top 10 startups in India. So in 2020, the 10 top startups are Upgrade, Cred, Unschool, Unacademy, Whatfix, and all these things, RajarPay. So these will be paying a high package to the candidates, right? So these companies will usually recruit the students from the Tier 1 category. So the Tier 1 category means the students will come from IITs and IIMs. So then, other than the Tier 1 students may miss the chance to get an opportunity to attend the interview, right? So, but don't get disappointed. So just go with the Relevel.com by Unacademy. So this Relevel will conduct a test and they will release a Relevel score, and based upon the Relevel score, you will get a calls from these top startups. So you will be recruited with a high package if you are eligible with a high level score. So how to take the test, I will just demonstrate here. So go to the relevel.com website, and here you can observe, the three categories of test: business development, front end development, and a back end development. Based upon your interest, you can take the test. So go with the front end development. You will ask for the register now. So you can simply click on register now. So just again, you can see the front end development test. So these are the rounds you need to complete in this particular front end development test. See, so it is around 45 minutes, 90 minutes, 150 minutes, 90 minutes, and 360 minutes. You can complete all the rounds in a single day, right? And click on the register now. It will prompt for the login. So just give your contact number so that the OTP will be generated, and you enter the OTP and log into the Relevel by Unacademy. So after successful login, so here you can observe. So click on the register now. So it will give you the slots, the calendar here, right? And see, you can complete all the 5 rounds in a single day, and your score will be released within 24 hours. So get your Relevel score in a 24 hours. So the score will be for 1000 points, and the best score you will be having, you will be getting a chance of getting the calls from the top companies. Okay, and after getting the Relevel score, claim your profile and get your rank on the leaderboard. Okay, so that you will get a calls from the companies. So book your slot here. So you can observe here the dates and slots available in that particular dates. So select this one, and you will be eligible to change your slot 48 hours before the test. So once you book the slot, you can also change the slot only before 48 hours, and that is also depending on the availability, right? So select this one and confirm your slot. So you will get you are supposed to pay the fees of 1999 rupees to take the test. So if you get the job with this Relevel score, so you will get a full refund of your test fee, complete refund, 100% refund will be there. And just you can use our channel coupon code SSK10 to get the additional discount, additional 10% discount. Okay, you can observe here, right? So 10% discount, right? So and within 10 minutes you need to confirm this one. So you just click on the pay now. So the test fee will be paid and your slot will be booked, and just prepare for the test and take the test on that particular day. And within 24 hours you get the Relevel score, and definitely if your Relevel score is satisfied with the companies, you will get a call from the companies with the highest package, right? So don't be late, apply here and get the opportunity with a high package, and use the coupon code SSK10 to get the 10% discount, additional discount. So all the very best. So welcome back to our session. So next, Ctrl plus O, it will open the new file. It will open the new file. So if you go over here and if you press Ctrl O, so it will open. Okay, it will open the new file. So you can select the file, so that file will be opened here. Okay, and the next one, Ctrl plus P. So it will open the print option. It will open the print option. So if you go with here, Ctrl P, it will open the print option, right? And even the browser also, you will get the Ctrl P as a print. Okay, in the browser, if you click on Ctrl P, so you'll get the print option. And the next, Ctrl plus Q. So at present there is no shortcut for the Q, so just leave it. Now you'll see Ctrl plus R, so that is a right alignment, or refresh the browser. Okay, so see, if you select the text and click on the Ctrl R, the data will be aligned towards its right side. Okay, right alignment. And if you open the browser, and click on the website and click on the Ctrl R, so you can see it will be refreshed. Okay, Ctrl R will refresh the browser. Control R will refresh the browser. So Control yes. So this is a save option. Save option. After editing your content, you can save the file by clicking Control S. See, you can observe Control S will open the save option. So here you can select the location where to save the file and view the file name so that it will be saved. Okay, and then Control plus T. It will open the new tab. Open new tab in browser. Open new tab in the browser. So you can observe. So new tab means here. If you click on this plus, a new tab will be opened, right? So Control T will open the new tab. So this is a shortcut for control, right? Control T for opening the new tab. Control U. So this will apply the underline option. Underline option. See, if you select the text, so if you select the text here, so I will select this text Sundeep Saradhi YouTube channel and I will apply the Control U so that some underline will be opened. Okay, underline will be applied. So no need to move the cursor to this one and click on this underline. So you can just click Control U so that the underline will be enabled. Okay, next Control plus V, which is nothing but a paste option. Paste option. So previously we have seen the Control C, that is the copy option, right? So just we are copying this content by pressing Control C and just move the cursor and place the cursor where to be getting for that particular content. Click on Control V. So you need not right click on it and just click on this option. So you just press Control V so that the copied content will be pasted here. Okay. And the next one, Control plus W. This will also save. It will open the save option in Word and close option in browser. See, Control W will again, it will open the save option. Okay, it will open the save option. And if it is a browser, if you click Control W, the browser will be closed. The browser will be closed, right? And next, Control plus X, which is nothing but cut. Okay, you can cut the particular content. Okay, if you don't want to repeat this one, select this one and click on Control X, so the text will be automatically cut. Okay, so cut option. And then Control plus Y is for redo. Redo. So if you click on Control Y, you can observe. So we have copied the content, so automatically it was pasting, right? Next, Control plus Z option, it is a undo. So if you have done any mistake, so simply you can undo that. That means that recent option will be rectified, right? See, I have given some 20 instead of 15. I have given some 20. I don't want to continue with the 20. So you can simply use a Control Z so that the recent option will be resumed. See, Control Z. So I have edited 20. So now I got 15. The recent options will be removed. Whatever the option we have done on the word, that will be removed. Right? So hope you understood this one. So these are all the control shortcut buttons. So in today's session, we'll see the importance of run command in the computer. So whatever the application we want to open, that can be opened with the help of a run command, right? So in our keyboard, we'll be having the start button and R. By pressing the start button and R, we'll get the run window. So you can observe here. So I'm pressing the start button and R. So this is the run. You can observe here. This is the run. So here you can give the instruction so that that particular application will be opened. So no need to search in the start menu. So for example, if you want to open the notepad, so one thing we can do is directly we have to go to the start and you have to search for the notepad here. So go to the N. So yeah, so otherwise you can simply write down here note and then select the notepad. And if you want to open the word, just go to here and search for the Windows Word. See, Word. You have to click on this. So instead of opening the start button, just type the one command in the run window so that that particular application will be opened. See, for example, I will open a notepad. So for opening a notepad, just type notepad. Automatically press enter, a notepad will be opened. Okay, hope you understood this one. So without opening the start menu or start button, so directly we can give the instruction which we want to open in the run window. So in order to open the run window, just click the start and R button. Start button and R. So first one is a notepad. So it will open the notepad. So opens the notepad. Now if you want to open the word, just type win word. So if you want to open the word of the document, so just type the win word. So it opens word document. Okay, see, so I have given win word. Okay, so that word document will be opened here. You need not search in the start. Similarly, PowerPoint. So Power PNT. It will open the PowerPoint. It opens the PowerPoint. See, start and R so that we'll get the run. So Power PNT. It will open the PowerPoint. So directly we'll get the PowerPoint. And similarly Excel. So just type Excel in the run. So directly it will open the Excel sheet. Right. So go to the start, give the Excel, press enter. The Excel will be opened here. Right. And similarly, command prompt. So just type CMD in the run. So it will opens the command prompt. See, I will show you the execution. So CMD. So we'll get the command prompt. So in the command prompt also we can create the files, we can create the folders, and all these things can be done in the command prompt also. And if you want to open the Paint application, just type MS Paint. So opens Paint application. Okay, it opens the Paint application. So just I will show you the MS Paint. So you will get the Paint application. Similarly, if you want to open the drive, okay, so in this one, so in this PC, you can find the drives, C drive, D drive, E drive, and F drive. So you can directly open the drive by giving the drive letter in the run window. So if you want to open the D drive, just give the D colon, press enter. So D drive will be opened here. And if you want to open E drive, so go to the run window, E colon, so that E drive will be opened here. Right. So like that we can give the drive letter colon. So it will open the drive. Okay. Next, calculator. So if you want to open the calculator, you need not search for the calculator in the start menu. So directly by using the command cal c. Okay. So just open the run and click on the cal c so that the calculator will be opened. So CLC, CALC, it's a calculator. So calculator. Next, control panel. So all the settings will be available in the control panel. So if you want to open the control panel, so just you can go with the control space panel, or simply by using the control, we can open the control panel in our system. See, So I will just give the control. So this is the control panel, right? Or simply you can also go with the control space panel, so it will also opens the control panel, right? Next, Chrome. If you want to open the browser Chrome, Google Chrome, just go with this one. So just click on the Chrome, type the Chrome and press enter. The Google Chrome will be open. So if you type Chrome, it opens Google Chrome, right? And if you go with the iExplore, then Internet Explorer will be open. If you type the iExplore, so iExplore, the Internet Explorer will be open. iExplore opens Internet Explorer. And the next one, OneNote. So if you want to open the OneNote, just type OneNote, so automatically it will opens the OneNote. So OneNote is also similar to our Notepad, just a small extensions will be there, because in the Notepad just only the text can be written, but in OneNote we can have the text along with the audio clips or video clips or images or drawings, whatever it may be, it will be accepted. So OneNote is somewhat extension of Notepad. So OneNote, so press enter, so that OneNote will be opened here, similar to our notebook, a quick notebook, right? It's also called as a quick notebook. And next one is mouse properties. If you want to change the mouse properties, just go with the main.cpl in run command. Okay, in the run window, just type main.cpl, so you will get mouse properties. You can change the mouse properties. Let us check. So main.cpl, you can observe mouse properties has been changed. The speed you can change and turn on the click lock, the pointers, what kind of pointer you need to represent, pointer options. So these are the different options, the wheels, hardware. So everything will be, all the properties related to the mouse will be opened here. So for that we have to use main.cpl in run. So all these words should be written in run window itself, run window. And the next one is, if you want to get the system properties, then go with the sysdm.cpl. So it will automatically opens the system properties, right? So see, sysdm.cpl automatically will get the system properties. The computer name, you can give the computer name. Okay, I will give the computer name as Sundeep, Saradhi, Kanthety, right? And hardware, advanced options, system protections, remote, all these things can be available here, right? So this is the system properties. And the next one is power options. If you want to get the power options, so you can go with the power cfg configuration.cpl. So this will opens the power options. So, see, I will show you. Power cfg.cpl. So it will open the power options. See, you can observe different questions here. Choose what the power buttons do. Choose what closing the lid does. So if you close the laptop lid, so automatically what should be happens. Create a power plan. Change when the computer sleeps. So sleep time. So all these things will be the power options. Okay, all these options are related to the power. So the power options, in order to open the power options, we can go with the power cfg.cpl, right? And next one is a magnify. So if you want to zoom the window, so we can go with the magnify. So just type the word magnify, so automatically it will enable the magnifier, right? See, magnify. So here the window is here, so you can observe here, you can zoom out, zoom in. So the window is simply, see, moving the cursor, you can see all these things. So this is the nothing but magnifier. Okay, the window will be magnified, not the application, the complete screen will be magnified. Okay, And the next one is for the network connections. If you want to enable the network, so Ethernet or Wi-Fi, if you want to give the IP addresses and all for all the network connections, just type the command ncpa.cpl. So this will open the network connections window. Okay, just go with this one, ncpa.cpl. So you'll get the network connection. You can observe here. So I'm having some 3 connections. So Bluetooth, Ethernet, and a Wi-Fi. Okay, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and a Wi-Fi. So these are all the connections, right? So this is for network connections. And if you want to remove the malicious software, that means some sort of virus, if you are thinking about some sort of virus is available in your system, you can simply remove all those viruses by using the command called mrt. So this will open the malicious software removal tool. Malicious software removal tool. So this will open this malicious software removal tool. So automatically we can scan our system and it will find any virus is available. So if the virus is available, automatically we can remove that virus from our system. See, simply just give the MRT in the run. So see, you can have the prompt Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. If you click on yes, so we'll get that window. See, welcome to the Microsoft malicious software removal tool. So if you click on this next, automatically the scan will be started. Okay, scanning all the files, and it will it will present if there is any virus, and we can remove the virus from the system, right? So MRT is a malicious software removal tool. And if you want to open the device manager, so complete system configurations will be available in this device manager, right? So we can get the device manager by clicking on, by using the command called device management mgmt.msc. So this opens the device manager. Okay, so I will show you dvmgmt.msc. So it will open the device manager. You can observe here. So whatever the devices available in our system, everything will be displayed here. So audio inputs and outputs, right? And batteries, the biometric. If your laptop is having any biometric, so that one, Bluetooth, the camera, okay, and the computer, the disk drives, okay, display adapters, firmware, keyboard, monitor, USBs, everything will be available in this device manager. So in order to get this device managers, all these things will be available in the control panel. But if you want to get this device manager without using the control panel, directly you can type this letter device management.msc, so that it will be open. The device manager will be open, right? And similarly, if you want to open the user accounts, so our system may have multiple users. So if you want to manage all those user accounts, there is a one page called user accounts page. So if you want to open that user accounts page, simply type net plwiz. So this will opens the user accounts, right? See, so you can observe here the only one user is here. So if your system is having a multiple users, all those users will be displayed in this box. Okay, so you can add the user also, you can remove the user. If you are an administrator, you can remove the user also. You can give the privileges for that particular user. So all the user accounts information will be presented here. So that can be opened by using the command called net plwiz, or simply you can go to the control panel and you can find these user accounts. And the next one is programs and features. If you want to add a new programs, or if you want to remove programs, that means the softwares which are available in your system, so directly you should not delete the folder. You have to go to the programs and features in the control panel, and you have to uninstall the software which you need to remove. So then the complete software along with the supported files will be removed from your hard disk, right? So to open that programs and features, we have to use a command called appwiz.cpl, or else you can simply go to the control panel and you can find this programs and feature directly the icon. So you can click that icon, right? So it opens the programs and features, right? So let us check appwiz.cpl. So you can observe here. So these are all the softwares which are available in my system. So if I want to remove any one of the software, simply I have to select this one and simply press the uninstall, so that automatically the complete software will be deleted from my system. So along with the software, the supported files will also be deleted, right? So this is the programs and features. And on-screen keyboard. So if there is any problem with your keyboard, you can simply use a virtual keyboard. So the virtual keyboard will be available in your computer. So you can enable that virtual keyboard by using the command OSK, on screen keyboard. So it will open on screen keyboard. So you can directly use a mouse pointer to type the content, right? Simply see, you can observe here OSK. So automatically I will get the on-screen keyboard. So no need to use your physical keyboard. You can use a virtual keyboard by just moving your mouse. Okay, so this is how we can use the on-screen keyboard. And one more thing, so if you want to visit any website directly, you can give the URL in the run command so that the website will be opened. So you have to give the website URL so that it opens the website. See, www.youtube.com. So directly you can give the URL. So I am giving the URL of our website. So see, the page has been opened. The page has been opened. So no need to open the browser and type the URL. So directly use the run command. So this is a run. So use this run, automatically just give the website URL. So automatically the browser, whatever the browser is given default, that browser will be opened with this URL. Right? So in order to get this run command, once again I'm saying, in your keyboard there will be the start button, the Windows button. You have to click on the Windows button plus R, alphabet R. So see, I will show you that. So if this is a keyboard, so this is the start button. Okay, this is the start button or a Windows button. You just click on this one. So Windows and R, Windows and R. So that will give you the run window. So here you have to give the commands in order to get the particular application. So these are the few shortcuts. These are the most frequently used shortcuts. So today we'll discuss about a few shortcuts on shift key. So in the keyboard you will be finding the shift key. So on the left side and the right side. So both the keys will be working with the same functionality. So you can use either left side shift key or the right side shift key. And now we'll see some shortcuts of shift key. So coming to the first one, shift plus F10. So you just click on the shift button plus functional key F10 so that it will open the properties. So if you just right click your mouse, you will be getting the properties, right? So that sort of menu will be displayed if you click on shift plus F10. So let me show you shift plus I am pressing F10 so that you will get the menu. Okay, properties menu, right? So that's a shift plus F10. And the next one, control plus shift plus escape. So you have to click the three buttons, that is a control button, shift and escape. So this will open the task manager. It will open the task manager. So the name itself indicates the task manager will be having all the processes which are running on your system. See, Control Shift Escape. You can see this is the task manager. Okay, I will explain about this task manager in detail in the next sessions, right? So this task manager will be having all the processors and the softwares or services that are running in our computer. It shows everything. Okay, and the next one is Windows button plus Shift button plus yes, alphabet S. It will take the screenshot. It will take the screenshot of your desktop. Right? Let me explain. So Windows plus Shift plus yes. So you can observe here. So we are getting some crop option. So you can select the portion which you want to take it. See, we got the screenshot of the selected portion. So for taking the screenshot, you need to press the Windows plus Shift button plus yes. Right. The next one is a Shift plus arrow marks. Arrow marks. So whatever the arrow you can use. So this is for selecting the multiple files. Selecting multiple files. Right. So just you can open the browser. You can open the browser. So go to here. You can observe. Just select one thing and click on the Shift and just use the arrows to select the multiple files. You can observe here. So here in this case we are selecting the multiple files. So this is one way to select the multiple files without using the mouse pointer. And the next one, Control plus Shift plus capital N. So capital or smaller, it's an alphabet N. So it will simply creates a new folder. Creates a new folder. So one way to create a new folder is just right click on the mouse, so that you right click the mouse, you can get the new option in the menu. You will be finding the new and you can create a folder. So instead of doing all these things, so simply you just, so you can observe the desktop. You can observe my desktop. So I'm not using any right click on the mouse. So I'm just going with the Control Shift and N. See, Control Shift N. So automatically you'll get the new folder. Okay, once again I will show you. So Control Shift and N, it will create the new folder. Right? Then see, next one is a Shift Delete. Shift plus DEL. Shift Delete. So in your keyboard you will be having the button called delete button, right? So if you delete any folder, see, I will delete this new folder. I will press the delete button on the keyboard, so that automatically that will be deleted from the screen and it will be moved to the recycle bin. So if you open the recycle bin, you will be finding the same folder. So whenever you want, you can also restore. So right click on the new on the icon and just click on the restore, so that again the folder will be appeared here. So if you click on Shift and Delete, if you press a Shift Delete instead of using the delete button, press the Shift and Delete, automatically this you will getting a prompt box. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? So this folder or these files which are deleted by using the Shift and Delete will not be moved to the recycle bin. So permanently they will be get deleted. So I have deleted by using the Shift Delete. So you will be not finding the same icons or same files in the recycle bin. So deleting the files without moving into the recycle bin, we have to use this Shift Delete. So delete without moving into recycle bin. So you can't restore the files. Once you delete, will come permanently, right? And the next one is a Windows plus Shift plus numerics 1 to 9. So this will open the app pinned to your taskbar, right, in the position indicated by the number which you have given, right? See, this is the taskbar. You can find this is the taskbar, and you can find the number of applications pinned to here. So one is a file explorer, next one is a store, browser, and some phone companion. Right now, if I press Windows plus Shift plus 1, the first app which was pinned in the taskbar will be opened. If you go with the 2, then my Microsoft Store will be opened. If you press 3, the browser will be opened. So you need not go with here. See, the mouse pointer is here, and just pressing a Windows button plus Shift plus 1. So automatically File Explorer has been opened because the first app in the taskbar is File Explorer. And if I go with the 2, it will open the Microsoft Store. So that is the second option. That is the second app available in taskbar. And then 3, it's a browser. Browser is open. You can observe the third position is a browser. And 4, it's a phone companion, right? So phone companion will be open. And if you change the order, okay, if you change the order, or see, now the second position is having the browser. If I click Windows plus Shift plus 2, so Windows plus Shift plus 2, browser will be open, right? Previously the store has been opened, but here now I have changed the positions. Now the second position browser and the third position is for store. So now I will get, if I press 2, we'll get browser, and if I press 3, we'll get the store. And if you add a few more to the taskbar, see, I will add the Jupyter notebook in the taskbar. Right? So the position of Jupyter notebook is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I just want to open the Jupyter, just go with the Shift, Windows, and 5, so that the Jupyter notebook will be open. Okay, so Windows plus Shift plus the number will open the app into your taskbar in the position indicated by the number. So it will start with a 1. So based upon the position, the particular app will be opened. Right. So hope you understood this one. These are the very few and important shortcuts need to be. Today's session we'll see how can we create a shortcut for shutdown and restart. So for that, just right click on the desktop, go to the new, and click on the shortcut, and here just give the command shutdown, spell shutdown, space -s space -t space 1, and click on the next and give the name for this one, so that the shortcut has been created on the desktop. Similarly, if you want to create a shortcut for restart, again follow the same procedure, go to the new shortcut and use the same command shutdown. So instead of yes, give r -t 1, and click on the next. So change the name, so that again there is a shortcut for restart. And if you can also change the icon by just going to the properties of this particular folder, and here you will find the change icon. So here you can find the icons. You can select any one of the icon, so click on OK and apply, so that see you can find the shortcut key for shutdown. And here also you can change the icon. So go to here, change the icon, and you can select any icon, right? So in order to restart, you can select any icon. So I will select this one. So I will select this one. So you can observe here. So this is the icon for restart. So if you press this icon, the system will be get shut down, and if you press this icon, the system will be get restarted. In today's session, we'll discuss about a few more shortcuts based upon the Windows key. So if you observe the keyboard, so in this keyboard you will be having a one key called with a Windows symbol, that's called a Windows key. So in today's session, we'll see the shortcuts of this Windows key. Right now, so as we all of know that if you press the Windows key, the start menu will be opened, right? So in order to open and close the start menu, so you have to use the Windows key, right? Now so let us start. So Windows key is for open and close start menu, right? And the next one, Windows plus D, Win plus D, right? So here I will go with the Windows key. Okay, and now Windows plus D, this is to display the desktop. So for example, if our desktop is having the two applications open, two folders opened here, you can observe here the notepad and some explorer. So if you want to show the desktop, just by clicking the Windows key plus alphabet D, it will minimize all the opened windows. See, you can observe it will display, it will minimize all the opened windows. And if all are minimized, by pressing again the Windows plus D, it will restore all the minimized opened windows, right? So this is for display desktop by minimizing all opened windows, right? Then the next one is E, Windows plus E. So Windows plus E will open the Explorer. It will open the Explorer. You can observe here. So if you press Windows plus E, the file explorer will be opened. So this is a file explorer. So here on the left pane, you can find all the folders available, right? So if you just click on that folder, the files which are available in that folder will be displayed. So if you click on desktop, so here you can observe these are the files available in my desktop. You can observe here. So these are the files available in my desktop. So that will be opened. If you press D drive, so these are the folders available in D drive. So these are the folder available in E drive. So these are the folders available in F drive. So like this, some explorer, that means it will open the file explorer. So Windows plus E will open the file explorer. And the next one is a Windows I, Windows plus I, alphabet I. So it will open the settings, system settings. It will open the settings. See, just by pressing Windows plus I, it will open the settings, right? System settings, device, phone, network, and everything similar to our control panel, right? And the next one is Windows plus L. So it will lock the screen. Okay, it will locks this screen. So if you click on Windows plus L, it will automatically locks the screen, right? So Windows plus L, it will lock the screen, so that we can also switch from one user to another user by clicking this Windows plus L. And similarly, the next one, Windows plus M, alphabet M, it will minimize all the opened windows, which will simply minimize all the open documents. So you can observe here. So this is one more thing. So Windows plus M, it will minimize. And if you again click Windows plus M, nothing will happen. But if you go with Windows D, it will minimize and it will maximize, right? So it will minimize the open windows. Minimize the opened windows. And next, Windows plus Shift key plus M. So in your keyboard there will be a shift button. Okay, you can observe here. So there is a shift button. See, this is a shift button, and here also you can have the shift button. So Windows plus Shift plus M. So it will maximize all the windows, right? It will restores the minimized windows. So whatever the windows which are minimized, those windows will be restores, right? So it will restore minimized windows. So if there are any minimized windows, all those windows will be restored. And next, Windows plus P. Windows plus P. So this will opens the presentation display mode. It opens presentation display mode. So that means if you are trying to present connect this laptop or a system to the projector, right? So it will opens the presentation display mode. So you can observe here, I will just go with this one, clicking on P. You can observe this is the thing, PC only duplicate. Duplicate means the screen will be shared in your system as well as in the screen, projector screen, right? And extended. So it will be divided into two different parts. And the second screen, it will be displayed only on the projector, Okay, so these are the different ways. So we can uh, select one among these things by pressing the Windows plus P. It will opens the presentation display mode. And the next one, Windows plus Q. Windows plus Q. So it will opens the search window. It will open the search window. So you can observe Windows plus Q. It will open the search window. Here you can search anything. So here this is a search bar. You can search anything from your system. So this is the search. And Windows plus R. So this already we have seen in the previous session. We have seen our different shortcut commands also. This will open the run dialog box. It will opens the run dialog box, right? And Windows plus yes. So see, I will show you. Windows plus R. This is a run dialog box. Run dialog box. So here we can give the shortcuts to open the application, right? So next Windows plus yes. Windows plus yes. So this will open the search. Again, it will open the search. See, I will show you. Windows plus yes. Again, it will open the search. So Q and S. Q and S works with the same. And similarly, Windows plus T. Windows plus T. So Windows plus T, it will give the selection on the taskbar. You can observe this is a taskbar. So in the taskbar also we are having a different icons. So if you don't want to work with the mouse, so in order to select these options, just click on Windows T so that the selection will be appeared on the taskbar. Okay, see, selection on taskbar. I will show you. So Windows plus T, you can observe. So this is the selection box, right? See, once again I will show you. T. So that don't, if you without using the mouse, by using the arrow marks, you can switch to different applications in the taskbar, and by just pressing the enter, you will get the particular application will be opened. If you want to open the browser, just go to the browser and click on enter so that the browser will be opened. So without using the mouse, we can open the taskbar icons with the help of selecting the icons in the taskbar with Windows plus T. Next, Windows plus X. Windows plus X. So this will open the quick link menu. So it will opens the quick link menu. So I will show you that quick link menu. So a lot of options will be available in that particular quick link menu. So I will show you Windows plus X. So this is the link menu. So apps and features, mobility center, power options, event viewer, system device manager, network connections. The major things will be available in this menu. Directly you can click, you can select this one. So no need to go with the control panel. So without moving on to the control panel, you will get the quick link menu, so that from this you can select the thing, right? And coming to the next one, Windows plus comma. So there will be one more key with a comma. So Windows plus comma will give the temporarily shows the desktop. So it will show desktop temporarily, right? See, Windows plus comma, you can observe. I just hold the Windows plus comma. If I release the button, automatically again we'll get the Windows. Okay, until you hold the keys, that is Windows plus comma, the desktop will be shown. And if you release the buttons, automatically again it will come with the original one, right? Windows plus comma. Windows plus pass. Windows plus pass. So there will be an option with the pass, right? It will display the system properties. It is used to display the system properties, right? So I will show you that pass button. So in the keyboard, see, in my keyboard I am having some pass button here. So by clicking on this one, then the system properties will be opened. So Windows and pass, you can see the system properties. So my system configuration is available here. So different properties are there. So you can change the properties, right? No need to go to the file explorer and right click on this PC and go to the properties, and you need not go for all these things. Just simply by pressing the Windows plus pass, you will get the system properties. Okay. Next, Windows plus plus symbol, Windows plus symbol, it will be for zoom in. Okay, zoom in. You can observe Windows plus option. See, zoom in. This is a zoom in. So just moving your cursor, the zoom in option is available. Magnifier, simply we can say that magnifier. In the previous session we have seen. So typing magnify in the run command, we'll get this magnifier. And in order to get the zoom out, just go with the minus. Plus is for zoom in, minus is for zoom out. Right? This is the magnifying option. So minus is for zoom out. And simply the Windows plus escape symbol. So in the keyboard you will be having the escape, right? See, so this is the escape symbol, you can observe. So Windows plus escape, so this key plus escape, so it will exit this magnifier. It will exit the magnifier. So you can just click on the cross mark, so automatically it will close, or simply by clicking the Windows plus escape, it will exit the magnifier. Okay, so exits the magnifier. Right. So these are the different shortcut keys. Hope you understood this one with respect to this Windows keyboard. Right. So Windows D E I L M Shift M P Q R S T X comma pass plus minus and escape. So these are the few shortcut keys with the Windows keyboard, Windows button. Right. So hope you understood this one. If you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.